Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. Today I have the April Allure box. Do you want to see what's inside? Okay guys, so let's see what the box looks like when I open it. So this is what it looks like. I have the pamphlet inside and the card. Okay, let me grab my glasses. April box. This box is $23 a month and it supposed to contain 3 full-size items and the rest samples. So let's see what we got. Okay, we're just going to start. So what happens in this, it doesn't explain the product to you. It shows the product and then what the editor of choice says about that product, but it does give us a retail value. So we will use this to get a retail value. Let's see what we got first. Okay, item number 1 is the Allure Restore Eye Serum. It retails at $86. I don't know if this is a full size or a smaller size, a deluxe sample maybe. Let's try it out. Oh, okay, it's got a little dropper in it. Can you see? We're gonna drop it. Whoa! Okay, guys. Can you see it's colored? So this is a Restore Eye Serum. It's kind of like it's greasy. I don't know, it feels kind of greasy right now. Or I just put too much on, and that could be why I did that. So at the top here is the button where you can pull it up. I think you hit this, yep, and it pulls up into the little dropper. Can you see? It does feel good, but it does feel like a little greasy. Okay, this one is a 0.3 ounce, but like I said, I don't know if it's full size or kind of reminds me of a deluxe sample, but with serums, a lot of time they are small bottles and they're still a full-size product. Okay, let's see what else we got. So let me do this. If you want any information about it, I'm going to put it up here so you can see, and then y'all can take a snapshot. Okay, so that's item number 1. This is item number 2. This is a face moisturizer. It is by a company called Maaplim, like M-A-A-P-L-I-M. And like I said, it's $49 for the full size. I don't think this is full size, so let's try it out. Gotta see what it's like. It's got one of those little things. There we go. Let's try to only squeeze out a tiny bit. This is what it looks like. Now this is for your face, guys. It's not for my hands, but smells like a menthol smell, mixed with kind of some aromatherapy. It smells good. It's just, it's got like aromatherapy, menthol-y. And here I go. Get a box open. There it goes. This is supposed to be an eyeshadow palette. Does look like a little bitty eyeshadow palette in here. Those are pretty. Here's what it looks like. The paperwork says it's a La Vie eyeshadow palette. It is a retail of $45. I'm wondering if it's a retail palette of a bigger one. I don't know. Here's the paper for it. So it is pretty. It's neutrals. There's some shimmers. It looks like the bottom and the one across, like in a diagonal from it, it looks like those are the two that are shimmers. So that's sweet. That's pretty travel friendly. I'm good with that. Here's this. This is number 4. It is by Avita Botanicals. It is a repair mask. So this one right here was number 4. It is a hair mask. So let me see if you can smell it at all. You can. That's what it looks like. It feels very moisturizing. And it's not thin, so it's not watery. It's really actually a little bit thick once you start moving it around, but it goes in very well. Okay, the next item, I think this is, let's see, item number 5, and this is a full-size product. So it is from Cargo. It is a swimmable eyeliner pencil in black. So I'll show you. And this is retailed at $18. Okay, and this is the next item. This is item number 6. It is made by Hero Cosmetics. It is the patch duos, and these are for your face. So like if you're breaking out, I don't want to open these right now, but if you have some spots where you're breaking out, you can use these patches on them, and it is supposed to heal quicker. So that is everything in my Allure box. So what did you guys think of April's Allure box? I feel that it's not the best one that we've gotten, but it's not the worst one we've gotten. So I'm happy about some of the items that are in here. So this was my first item, and that was one of the serums. Happy to try this. This is a face moisturizer. And then we have a hair mask. We have the eyeshadow palette, which I think was kind of small for an eyeshadow palette. Normally you get bigger palettes than that, so that might be their full-size product though. We did get this waterproof eyeliner, and we got the patches. So that is everything in my book. So what do you guys think? Did you like it? Like I said, I know that there's some that were actually better than others. You know, they started making the changes for, now I'm just cleaning up, sorry. They started making the changes for the Allure box when they changed it to $23, which was, when was that? October. It was October. And the first couple boxes were pretty bad. And then it started getting better. And then, I don't know, this one is just kind of like, you know, I don't use these, so they'll probably go in a giveaway. I don't wear eyeliner because I am blind and can't put it on. So I will not use that either. Now, the face moisturizer, the hair mask, the vitamin C, I will definitely use those. And then the eyeshadow palette, I will try that out also. So it's not bad. Just not the best, but that's okay. It is $23. My link is down below. All of the description for Allure is below in the description box. If you have any questions or you want to put comments in, please do. Subscribers, thank you for watching. As always, I just want to say I love you and I appreciate your comments, your likes, being there, hanging out with me. And those of you who are not subscribed, my name is Lori. As I told you in the beginning, I am legally blind, so I do things a little bit differently. So if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, the subscribe button is below. Click that, hit the bell so you're notified when I put out new videos, and the like button if you don't mind. That like button is very, very important for us as creators, as that like button pushes our videos out to more people, and so we are able to get more subscribers. So if you like travel, if you like vlogs, if you like shopping, if you like living life, glad to have you here. So I hope that everybody has a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.